Hi guys, today's notes are on area of a triangle. As you can see, they have already given us a formula for the area of a triangle. The formula for the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. B stands for base, H stands for height, and then we multiply those together and then we divide by 2. Remember that the base and the height are perpendicular. We say that the base and height corresponds because they form perpendicular lines, which means that they meet at a 90-degree angle. So it says, look at the triangle drawn here. What measurements can you use for the base and the height? So we want to look for corresponding base and height, which means that they meet to form a 90-degree angle. So the 6 and the 4 meet right here to form a 90-degree angle. So the 6 is the base of the triangle and the height is 4. The reason why I did not use the 5 is because the 5 does not correspond with any of the other lines. Okay, remember, for it to correspond, it must be perpendicular, which means it meets at a 90-degree angle. Alright, so this is not a 90-degree angle. So 5 would not be a measurement that I would use to find the area of this triangle. So it says to calculate the area of this triangle. So the formula for the area of a triangle, we said, was area equals the base times the height, and then that's divided by 2. So we have the base, which is 6, the height, which is 4, and then we divide all of that by 2. We get 24 divided by 2, which gives us an area of 12 inches squared, or square inches, whichever one you prefer. Remember, we multiply unit times unit to get square units. So the area of this triangle is 12 square inches. All right, let's do the next one. All right, so our formula is area equals base times height, and we're going to divide all of that by 2. Remember, we're looking for a corresponding base and height, which means they meet at perpendicular lines that form a right angle. So our base is going to be 10, and our height is going to be 6. And we're going to divide all of that by 2. So 10 times 6 gives us 60. Divided by 2, which gives us 30 square centimeters. So the area of this triangle is 30 square centimeters. Let's recap. The formula for the area of a triangle is area equals the base of the triangle times the height of the triangle. And then we divide that by 2. We divide it by 2 because you can think of it in terms of being a rectangle that we take half of. Okay, so one triangle. Okay, rectangle makes 2 triangles. We cut it in half, we get 1 triangle. So that's why we have the formula base times height divided by 2, because we're taking half of a rectangle. Remember that the base and height are that they correspond to each other, which means that they form a perpendicular line, which meet at 90-degree angle, at a 90-degree angle. All right, so if you have any further questions, please ask during our Zoom session. Thank you.